Hi, this is Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here to show you folks today the Boston Whaler 2021 280 Vantage. It's the new model this year. They did some really nice changes. They made it wider, they made it longer. It's got the matching apical blue color in the hardtop with the Sure shade that comes out. That's new for the model. Big hardtop up here, plenty of shade on this boat. But we'll start at the back of the boat. You've got the twin 250s, the new Mercs, fantastic motors on them. Plenty of good speed getting out of the hole, and a great top end, somewhere around close to 50 miles an hour. And then if you're up for a ride, going to the beach or dinner, that type of thing, you got a very comfortable seat right here. But if you are going to throw the line over, all you got to do is lift it up, and now you got a beautiful leaning post with all the rod holders right here at your disposal. And the nice feature is the really good live well. So this used to be tucked under the seat. It was kind of small. Very deep. It's about 3 times the size of the other one, so nice additional feature if you like to fish. If not, it's a great cooler as well. Then we have the dive door, which is new for the 280. Opens up. It does basically 3 things. It's when you get onto a floating dock, it's easy. It's the best, safest way to get on and off the boat from a floating dock, same level. If you're going to be swimming, you got a ladder that just hooks right there. Very safe way. And you get, when you're coming back in the boat, you've got a handle to grab onto, so you're not grabbing on the side of the boat. And if you are catching a fish, usually you lose the fish a lot of times bringing him over the gunnel. This way he's still half in the water as you're dragging him in. Drag him right into the fish box. Much safer that way. And then we've got the seat. Does many things. This way, you can also lounge very comfortably in the forward. The ladder is stored, all storage, very nice storage, very convenient, good for life jackets, that type of thing. The seat, this is a seat that is an option on the boat, so it's an extra person, and it also doubles as a cooler. So you got a really good size cooler in there, the self-draining. So you've got the sink, and then you've got the refrigerator with the free. There if you want to keep it specifically for your so you've got that right there. And then as we move over to the head, and it's you've got the vacuum flush head in there, which is the best you can get on that. There's plenty of room in there. You got a handheld shower for rinsing yourself off if you want to go from the beach to a restaurant. So plenty of room, not claustrophobic at all, so really nice head. And over at the helm, you've got a recessed chart plotter on here. Looks nice and clean. Everything's just, nice, neat, clean dash. We have the digital throttle and shift. We also have the active engine trim on it, so you can pitch the engines automatically. And then you've got the joystick, does everything. I can go sideways, I can go any direction, any condition. It's fantastic. It also has the sky hook that locks me in. It's waiting for a slip assignment, waiting for a bridge, looking at the sunset. And then it also has the autopilot, which is auto heading. Keeps you, it's a point and shoot. Easy. So let's move forward. Keep tons and tons of stuff down here. You can keep your canvas and all that. You've got a dedicated table storage there. In the cockpit area, and then you've got the 2 twin lounges, very comfortable with armrests on it, and you get speakers, you got a phone charger in there, you got a remote control for the stereo. And then when we move to the bow, you've got the beach boarding ladder, and then the anchor, the windlass anchor right here. Used to be the boarding ladder used to mount over the anchor, so it's kind of a little tricky getting on and off the boat. Now they put it off to the side, so it's not in the way at all. So really nice, safe solution to that problem. So real nice job on that. So the boat does everything well. It's got 2 motors. You can take it anywhere you want to go. The big hardtop is beautiful. The windshield is beautiful. The boat is just great. So they did a great job on the 280. So if you got any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.